too fucked up to care where we're going, yeah. Yeah. I'm way too fucked up to care where we're going, yeah. Yeah.
Hi, we're in birthday and we're eating because we're already hungry. It's her 25th birthday.
Mare, kamusta yung kalendarya? Tayo. Ano natin pwede itawag natin dito? Kamusta tong kaldereta natin? Alam mo, anong gago yung... Anong gago yung gato. Ito na. Susuko lang. Ano lang. Siguro bang less burn? Kasi nakakain ko yung ashes. Tsaka more sauce. Pero perfect. Perfect. After eating the Lamb of God, we are now eating dessert, aka the Garden of Eden. Ano pa, mga Milo, ano to eh? Batog made of Milo. Yung nga, parang nga talagang garden. Gusto ko ng bilisan para matikman mo na rin kasi ang sarap. Try na po nating birthday girl. O diba? You know what I'm talking about.
Mashallah.
Okay, thoughts, please.
Yung Garden of Eden na
Sarap, no?
parang napantayan din niya yung Lamb of God.
No, worth it, no? Isusulat mo naman sa baba yung totoong pangalan ng pagkain. Kasi baka maghanap sila ng Garden of Eden. Tsaka Lamb of God. Okay, titigil na kami. Tama na po ang Christianity jokes. Ang saya naman dito. Ba't ang daming nag-scooter na Hi! Gusto ko mag-scooter! Parang mama si Delia. Ayan, cute nila. Oh my God. Ang cute naman. Cute nila. Bro. Yun na nga ng color. Bro, pag 60 na tayo, ganyan. Sure! Magaganyan din daw kami pag 60 na kami. Yung cute nila.
Hi! So we're here in the GC. People, dogs, and children. And now we're gonna try to enter the General Monster flagship store.
Entre as ruas, já não vejo mais meus horizontes. Cidade nua, dentro de mundo calmo.
Hi! We're here in General Monster and we're trying some glasses. Try ka ng something outrageous. Yung pink. Try mo lang.
Pag ito bagay sa akin, maniniwala na ako.
Ay, bagay siya kung magpupul ka. Ganun. Sige nga, try mo nga yung orange. Ay, ang ganda. Para kang magto-totally spice, bro. As in, para kang mag-spy. Para kang magsasakay ng motorcycle, bro. Tapos yung motorcycle mo din, orange. Panis. Nagawa na story. But parang ganda din yung last mo na pagsusukat ng glasses. May story. We'll show you a video.
The career woman, she's 5 years in. She's the head of the department and she bosses people around. She's very assured of herself. As you can see with the red-collared frame, you can see her ambition and her fierceness and her passion. Nagkaroon na story ang puta eh.
Eu não quero mais saber de problemas. Pra mim já deu. A vida é agora e eu quero ver
try the Barbie. Ang girly, bro. Ang girly. Hi, I'm Barbie. What's up, Ken? Oh my god, bro. We're Barbenheimer right now.
I'm Barbie.
And she's Oppenheimer. Barbenheimer.
Thanks for the treat, Mom.
Happy birthday. Right, so we're in Starbucks. We're having our merienda. And finally clean. Yo. Oh, may pa-suspense. Wow! Ang ano naman, ang extra. Judge natin yung papel. Okay naman, cute. Hindi na pwede balik. Thank you po, Starbucks. Thank you for yet another capitalist adventure. Stop exploiting us with your Hi, Mom! Are you tired na? Uy, hindi ka pa pwede mo eh. Kasi may surprise pa ako. Chinenen! Pakita mo muna yung napakaganda kong gift wrapping. Color blue. Oo, color blue. Open, open. Oh my god, I wanna see your reaction. Ako gumawa niya! Wow, surprise siya eh! I made that dress! Yay! Okay na, kain na, pagod na, pero masaya. Buo na. I know, right? Sukate mo pag-uwi mo. Tapos balitaan mo ako kung bagay.
Try ko sukati.
Shit, kinakabahan ako. Sana di masikip.
Oh my god, Mom, it looks so pretty.
Uy, may good ka siya. Hindi ganun ka. Maluwag talaga siya. Yun yung design. Para siya summer dress. Talikod ka, ha?
Oh my god, it looks so perfect. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Twirl, twirl, twirl.
Wow! Ganda, gago. Gagi bagay. Ang ganda. Uy, ang ganda. Okay, tapos na.
Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. And it's all